Ricardo family go on a cruise.
Okay, can we go on the big boat now?
You bet, guys. Head on up.
Yay!
Cool, our room. I call dibs on the top bunk.
Oh man, come on Marcel. Please let me have the top bunk.
I don't know, Johnny. I don't want you climbing over me in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom. Probably kick me in the head or something.
What? No, I wouldn't.
Hey, look, there's no door in the toilet.
I'm gonna stink up the room, Marcel. You just wait.
Oh, brother. Gross.
Oh, cool. I wonder if I can see outside. So hard to see. Oh, I know. I'll open the window. Cool. Look, I can see so much stuff. Wow, that's a big ocean out there. Well, better get back inside. Hey, I'm stuck. Help! Help! Someone help! I'm stuck. I can't get out.